Children, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, 8th class children, hope you all are at least going through the lessons. See the lessons, read the lessons. Just don't write the exams like that. Okay, read the lesson, all the grammar, question answer. For the fun they had. We have finished the lessons, right? We'll see the grammar part of it. First one, combine the sentences using where, who, which, that. Mahi always tells funny stories. We all like them. Second one, Dolly ate all the biscuits. I bought them for Chandu. The answers are after 1 minute. You read it and you try to write answers. Use the words. Two sentences are there, different sentences, no? What you have to use in between where, who, which, that. And combine both the sentence meaningfully. Third one, an old man visited us last night. He is my grandfather. Fourth one, we should remember the place we often used to meet. Fifth one, Divija gave me a camera. It was not working. Now the answers are here. First one, Mahi always tells funny stories which we all like. Second one, Dolly ate all the biscuits which I bought them for Chandu. Third one, an old man visited us last night. That is my grandfather. Understood? These are the, just now we have seen that exercise. It is from the reader. I told you the questions you have to use with, which, that, isn't it? So these are the answers of that. Third one, an old man visited us last night. That is my grandfather. We should remember the place where we often used to meet. Fifth one, the camera which Divya gave was not working. Got it? Now this is the editing part. Editing is most important part. 8th, 9th, 10th, in all the classes you will get editing. Question is compulsory for English. Okay. Read the following passage. Every numbered sentence has an error. Identify and edit it. First one. In Siripuram village, it did not rain at least 3 years. Men, women and children looked at the sky anxious for the clouds of signs of clouds. The pond were now a wide stretch of caked earth. Thirsty animals crowded around puddles of dirty water. Women went very far on search of water. Fifth one, we have to correct the sentences. It's not correct. Some little minor mistakes are there. They returned with pots of water balanced over their heads and some fodder of cattle under their arms. Now these are the answers of editing. Editing is compulsory 5 marks question. 8th class children, are you listening to me? Take good practice of it. Whatever teacher is explaining, listen to it. Try to understand the lessons and the grammar part. Editing. In Siripuram village, it did not rain for 3 years. Second one, men, women and children looked at the sky anxiously for signs of crowded around puddles of dirty water. Women went very far in search of water. They returned with pots of water balanced over their head and some fodder for the cattle tucked there under their arms. Got it? Now this is a posture, children. Government Model School. This is also in your reader. Road number 10, Jubilee Hills, regarding one school. So this is the way we should make posture. It should be colorful. You have to make a box, write the heading properly, and few points meaningful according to the posture only. Not this and that, just fill it up. Okay. For those who want to stand at the right place in the competitive world, here is an excellent opportunity. Something circle you should make and write annual day, or if it is like that, these are the timings. This is the fees, free entry, whatever you have to write. Next box is stress-free education, individualized learning, and digital classrooms, experienced faculty, experiments and projects located in the heart of the city. For details, contact the private principal, Government Model School, Road number 10, Jubilee Hills and Hyderabad. You have to read this about two schools' postures. Read them carefully and you will get the practice of writing the posture. ZP High School, Street number 8, Vanasthalipuram, Hyderabad. The only school that enhances all-round development of the children. What are the important features? Located in the midst of nature, focus on all-round development of your child. Individual attention, focus on social values, yoga and meditation. Next is games and sports, dance and music, digital classroom, moral education and Indian heritage. Fourth one. For details, you have to make the box like this in blue color, then write, okay, according to the topic. The headmaster, ZP High School, street number 8, Vanasalipuram, Hyderabad. Now these are posture making. You'll get few little practice. So I have two postures I'm giving you. For example, coronavirus safety posture. Now according to it, you should be able to write from 1.5 to 2 years. We are suffering this. Don't touch. Social distancing, isn't it? Use sanitizer. You have to draw the box neatly. See it how nice picturization should be there. It will give you good marks. Don't just put a black pencil and fill it up. Take blue color. See how they draw. Compare both the postures. Okay. Help poor. Don't sit beside your friends like earlier you used to sit. Eat vitamins, food, diet. Okay. Next one is save water, save the life. See how did they draw earth, tap there. World Water Day. 40% of people do not have access to clean water even now. Less than 2% of the earth's water supply is fresh water. Only 1% of earth's water is available for drinking. Easy ways to save water. Do you know that? Recycle, eat less beef, shop smartly, take shorter showers. Okay, you have to collect the water in the bucket and take shower. Don't use shower directly. Lot of water will be wastage. Use a water calculator. Don't pre-rinse. Choose tap water. Be an activist. Plants, lamps, ears. And when you are brushing teeth, close the tap also. That is also one of the most important tip. Most of the lot of water gets waste, isn't it? Less than 1% of the all of the water is usable. Fresh water. Earth Day means earth, air, fire and water. Earth Day, what you have to write? Friday, April 12th, 2012, 11 am in cafeteria. So according to the topic, when if it is save water, write about water. Save nature, draw trees, don't cut trees. Trees give us oxygen. According to it, you have to write it. Now we'll see the homework for today. The same way, posture making is important, editing is important. Two important examination point of view questions we have done in today's class. Okay, posture making and editing. First one, make a posture on save nature, save trees. Second one, make a meaningful posture on save water, save lives. Not just drawing water and all, finishing off. Draw it blue color. Draw water bodies. How it is good for health, how it is dirty water, good water, uses of water, how should we preserve water, we should not waste water, scarcity of water, isn't it? Neat environment, healthy environment. You are a grown up children of 8th grades. I don't expect dirty postures. You have to make neat, meaningful. I'm telling again. COVID means social distancing, dispenser, eat citrus fruits, okay? Neat, healthy, hygienic conditions. Vaccine, Covaxin, whatever vaccines that according to it, write it and send it to me in the evening between 5 to 8. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum children. See you in next class.